That half-flush button is a lie. The tank is supposed to refill. Deal with it. Welcome to the plumbing conspiracy you never asked for. I'm your resident chaotic pipe wizard, and today we're defending the one thing modern plumbing betrayed: the toilet tank. Let's talk siphons. You know that beautiful U-shaped pipe? It's not just a curve. It's a hydraulic trapdoor. Water fills the tank, gravity takes the wheel, and boom. A pressure wave slams down the bowl. The siphon kicks in. It's physics doing Parker. Enter the dual flush button. Marketing genius or plumbing sabotage, you press half. The flapper lifts halfway. You get a pathetic trickle. The siphon never engages. You just made a very expensive puddle. Think about displacement. Archimedes was right. The bowl needs a specific volume to maintain the hydraulic seal. Less water means structural stress on the trapway. You're not saving 10,000 gallons. You're inviting a slow leak of dignity. But wait, the refill tube. That tiny straw constantly dripping into the overflow pipe. You hate it. I love it. It's a hygiene cycle. It keeps the trapway wet. It prevents sewer gas from touring your bathroom. You think the tank is broken because it takes 3 seconds to refill. That's latency. The fill valve is a precision instrument. It modulates flow to prevent water hammer. 3 seconds is the price of structural peace. People complain about noise, the hiss, the clank. That's not a defect. That's the sound of a system under load. You're hearing thermal efficiency and material fatigue fighting for survival. Complaining about flush noise is a skill issue. Half flush is placebo engineering. You press a button, you feel eco-conscious. The tank refills anyway. The water bill doesn't care. The physics don't care. You're just playing with friction. Let's be clear. The tank refill isn't a bug, it's a feature. It maintains the hydraulic lock. Without it, your toilet becomes an open-air ventilation shaft. You want a silent toilet? Buy a septic system. Modern toilets got weird after 1995. Float balls gave way to fill valves. Fill valves gave way to electronic sensors. Sensors give way to Wi-Fi. Next thing you know, your toilet is asking for a software update. So here's the truth. Stop fighting the refill. Embrace the siphon. Let the tank breathe. You're not wasting water. You're maintaining a closed-loop hydraulic ecosystem. Deal with it. If you still think half-flush saves the planet, comment below. I'll send you a brochure on atmospheric pressure. Subscribe for more plumbing chaos. The tank is waiting.